Welcome to our tutorial on managing contact synchronization in the Whatnot app. If you're looking to control how your contacts are synced within the app, this guide will walk you through the process. First, open the Whatnot app on your device. Once the app is open, locate the account icon at the bottom right and tap on it. Next, scroll down the account menu and select Preferences. Finally, scroll down to the Sync Contacts option. Toggle this setting off to disconnect your phone's contacts from the Whatnot app. This action will stop the app from accessing your contacts and providing follow recommendations based on them. By following these steps, you can effectively manage how your contacts are synced in the Whatnot app, giving you greater control over your privacy and app interactions. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.